Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. So this is my first video of the Cruise 23 collection from Chanel. So I will start here on this time. So you may have remembered the Wonder Woman jacket that I referred to a long time ago, many videos ago. I'll reference it in the cards. This is very kind of similar style, but really lightweight, very lightweight. This is the necklace that was styled with it on the runway. And so here's the price and the tag. This one's a 36 for reference. For those of you who have never watched my videos before, I'm 5'4", right now about 118. Usually I would wear a 36, but I'm in 38 now. Here is another piece here. This has a beautiful piece of costume jewelry. I think the accessory is gorgeous. So this whole collection has either a race car, nautical, or tennis theme, in my opinion. And it was originally filmed in Monaco. Here's a pair of pants, kind of a little hip-hop style, sort of. Here's the tag. The tag for this top here is here, for those of you interested. This one here is pretty desirable by a lot of folks. It's been, I mean, it's been on a lot of lists, but it's thick, it's heavy in person. So I will list off the fabric contents as I try them on, and you can see the price. It says ecru. It looks pretty bright white to me, but we'll check it out in the lighting. And then again, the race car theme. So on this dress here, I think the dress fit feels like it's going to be nice, like a jersey ribbed kind of cotton. 38. Here's the price and tag with its costume jewelry. And then here is another dress with the little small leather good crossbody. And here's the tag. And then here are many scarves you can wear as headbands or around the neck. Some pretty cute designs and styles here. So I'll show you these. And I will show you one other piece that I will try on for my first video. Here is a jumpsuit, and it's very sparkly black, silver, and gold. And here is the tag for it. So I'm going to try these pieces on and we'll get started with Cruise 23C. Okay everyone, here's my first outfit. Let me show you this jacket. Okay, I have to admit I'm kind of in love with this thing. It's kooky and weird, and that's why I like it. So it's a combination of polyamide and elastane. Reminds me of my hair, kind of like two-tone, whatever. It's the Superwoman look, but I think done a little bit better. It's really comfortable, really lightweight. Here's the back. I had said the size in my beginning of my video. I actually don't even remember it, but it, you know, it's cool. The only thing I wish is that the pockets were in a more usable spot, but I think overall it's a really cool design. Just so you know though, this is total Michael Jackson bright gold. So for those of you not sure about the gold color, I'm gonna try to get in close here. You can see it's shiny and shiny. So if that's not your thing, this will not be your thing. Let me show you the pants here. They have a zip at the bottom. Sorry for not wearing shoes, but I'm still in a lot of pain until I have surgery again. And they have a really cool CC print on them. They have potential. I don't like the race car stripe here. They're a little MC Hammerish, a little MC Hammer going on. I like the pockets. They feel comfy, you know, very easy to wear. It's a little bit baggy and big to me, but more than anything, I just don't like this part. I don't like the waistline. This is what it looks like in the back, for those of you curious. Now this is a 38, so it is a little bit bigger, and yeah, I think the CC print, as you can see here, is very cool, but the rest has, in my opinion, a lot to be desired. So yeah, that's this little outfit, and now I'll move on to the next one. All right, welcome back. So this is 80% cotton, 20% elastane, so it has a ton of stretch, a ton, which makes it very comfortable. Unfortunately, I don't really like the design of this very much. I think it's nautical-ish. It's there's too many little kind of dots. I'm trying to think of the right word. Maybe some of you will come up with a better word than that, along with this look. So I'm not a big fan of it, but I do like the fit and I love the fabric. So if you're looking for this top, you can see it has a stripe down the side. This is what the back looks like. I still have on the MC Hammer pants out of mere comfort, which maybe is a good sign. So I'll try on the next one. All right, so this race car sweater is cashmere and polyamide. It's running big and really big, actually. If we recall the size again, this one is a 36. I would need a 34, no doubt. So it's sizing, running large. This is a pretty cool, it's actually went with the Wonder Woman top, but pretty cool necklace, you can see here, with a lot of sparkles on the bottom. For those of you who have been looking for the necklace, before I forget, it is a really pricey for accessories, $33.50. Here's this necklace. But let me go back to showing you. So this has a little brooch on it here, pretty cool. And it's a really comfortable piece. I just think that it's too big. So here's the back of it. And you can see the, obviously just black and white check, right? So super into the Monaco vibe that the collection was designed for. So that's this one. Let me go try another one. Okay, I didn't think I'd like this one a whole lot, but it's actually really cute. Here's the style of it. Let me get to the mirror and you'll be able to see in the reflection how it looks. It's a nice fitted, this is a 38, it's a heavier weight, 100% cotton tank dress. It's tight under the arms for me. So for reference, I am a 34 CD-ish, maybe 36C at the moment. So it is tight under the arm. So if you're a little bit bigger chested, you might need to size up and then tailor the rest. This is a necklace, by the way, that was designed to go with it. Here is the necklace tag before I forget. And I will finish showing you the dress. So the part I don't really like is all of this stuff, right? There's like flowers and sequins and the race car, which I almost think is a little bit tacky. So here's the piece. I don't know. Hadn't liked it, tried it on. I love how low the back is. I think that looks really nice. If I angle it down a little bit, you can see how it fits on the body, including these very cool button details here that look really nice, and you know, just add a little bit of cool element to it. I wish this wasn't so prominent, but it is what it is. So for those of you looking for it, just know that it is a little tight under here, but overall the feel and fit of the dress feels nice, and it's weighty enough that you're not going to see through it. In fact, I don't even have appropriately colored undergarments on, and I'm not able to see them. So that's a nice thing as well. All right, so for those of you looking for something maybe not quite as crazy as the last dress with all the race car stuff, this is very similar to the black and white t-shirt I had on, the 80-20, 80% cotton, 20% elastane, so it has a ton of stretch. If I'm not mistaken, this has to be one size bigger. Let me recall here. Fits differently. Yes, a 38. Okay, so for me, this is a lot more comfortable, and you can see how it fits here. All right, let me angle the camera down. You can see they did a nice job pulling in the waist, I think, on both of these pieces. And then the stripe just pulls in the body a little bit more, hugs the body a little bit. I think it's cute. You know, was it pros, cons? Very comfortable. It has that kind of pointelle design to it. Let me get up close. You can see what I'm talking about here. And yeah, so love to know what you all think, but this is how this piece looks on. The only thing I'm not liking, again, is this, whatever this is, this theme going on here. It's not completely my thing, but it might be some of yours. So you can see it in the mirror as well, and then get a better look of the view. And so I'll try it on the jumpsuit, and then one other piece that my fashion advisor brought in, kind of a surprise piece. And then video 1 will be wrapped up, and video 2 I'm sure coming shortly. Okay, so next piece, I cut my head off on purpose so you can see the whole length. I love this. It's too small for me, but I love it. It's so cute. It's cotton and elastane, so it has some stretch to it and some polyester. This one's too small, it's a 36, and I have a very strong feeling if it were a 38, it's going to be very baggy here. So really where it's tight is under the arms, which is my trouble spot at the moment. And in the back you can see, I mean, it's not dropped enough that it gives you the diaper look, but it's also not so fitted that it looks like, you know, you're almost trying too hard, right? So here's the kind of sparkly detail. I'll get up as close as I can. The camera still picks it up, hopefully. So I personally love this. I think it looks great. And the only question is, how do I deal with this? It's too tight. It's too tight to deal with. So can it be taken out by a lot? And that would be really the question for your tailor. And here is a little crossbody useless bag. I'm sorry. I know they're cute, but for those of you that want to see it on, this is the little guy. There's one surprise jumpsuit that I'm cutting my head off on purpose so you can all see the design, but there's one other piece, one jumpsuit. It's a short jumper with a long tail. I'm going to show you that piece next. I didn't expect to try it on today, but it's here, so I'll show you, and then I'll be wrapping up this video. All right, my last piece, I have to literally hold on my body. This is extremely tight. It's a 36, and 36 don't run this tight on me, so it's running small, but it's running normal and larger actually in the chest. In my opinion, it's here. It's really, really tight. Here's the funky thing. Yes, you are seeing this right. This is a cape. Here's the problem. For those of you like me who are thinking you'll just take the cape off, you can't very easily. It's actually the back. So you'd have to have someone do something with this, like shorten it, maybe find some other method of handling this. It could have been cute. This is an issue. The sizing between the top and the bottom, I think, is a problem. This is a 36, if I'm not mistaken. The pocket's cool. It's just not, maybe just not for my body type. But for those of you that were looking for the cape jumpsuit, here it is. And it also has a blazer, which I'll try in another video. I hope you found this useful. If so, I would love it if you would like the video or subscribe to my channel, and more content coming really soon. Thank you for watching.